We'll start the question answer part. The first question is of chapter 9, है ना? Write a note on the evolution of Bengali. This is your first question. Answer is in page number 82. Answer is in page number 82. Open page number 82. Regional identity Bengal वाले पैरा में आना, नीचे से जो फर्स्ट पैरा है उसका नीचे से 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8th लाइन पे आ जाना. बाय द एंड ऑफ 15th सेंचुरी, 8th लाइन, बाय द एंड ऑफ 15th सेंचुरी. गॉट इट एवरीवन? नीचे से
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, बाय द एंड ऑफ 15th सेंचुरी से वो लास्ट लाइन तक यूरोपियन लैंग्वेज है उसी पैराग्राफ में, वहां तक है ये फर्स्ट आंसर. गॉट इट एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. Second question, why is Puri Jagannath thought to be a tribal deity? Okay, so come to page number 80. Emergence of the Puri Jagannath cult, page number 80. 1 2 3 from 5th line, one such regional objective. From the 5th line, उस पैराग्राफ का 5th line, one such regional objective, वन सच रीजनल ऑब्जेक्टिव से मार्क करना. फोर्टींथ लाइन पे आ जाना, लॉर्ड बाय लोकल ट्राइब्स. 14th लाइन पे लॉर्ड बाय लोकल ट्राइब्स. 14th लाइन पे आ जाना, लॉर्ड बाय लोकल ट्राइब्स. गॉट इट एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that will be your second answer. That is your second answer. Third question, what are conventional characteristics of a Rajput? Give example of their traits. That is your third question. Come to page number 80, Rajput and their martial tradition. मार्क फ्रॉम दैट पैराग्राफ, राजपूत एंड देयर मार्शल ट्रेडिशन में से मार्क करना स्टार्ट करना. राजस्थान, स्टार्टिंग लाइन से, राजस्थान इज रिफर्ड टू एज अ लैंड ऑफ राजपूत even though it is inhabited by other communities. This is because the culture of Rajasthan is deeply influenced by Rajput and their traditions. And their traditions तक मार्क करना.
मैम एक बार रिपीट कर दीजिए.
Rajasthan is referred to as lands of Rajput even though it is inhabited by other communities. This is because the culture of Rajasthan is deeply influenced by Rajputs and their traditions. वहां तक. फिर 5th लाइन पे आ जाना, the Rajputs are only originally descendants. फिर 5th लाइन पे आना, वहां से फिर 5th लाइन पे आना, the Rajputs are originally descendants. 7th लाइन करेज तक, 7th लाइन करेज तक, 7th लाइन करेज तक मार्क करना. दैट इज योर थर्ड आंसर. दैट इज योर थर्ड आंसर. गॉट इट एवरीवन?
No, ma'am.
यस मैम. सी फ्रॉम फर्स्ट लाइन राजपूत से लेके 4th लाइन तक ट्रेडिशन. फिर वहीं से 5th लाइन पे आ जाना, द राजपूत से लेके 8th line, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8th line करेज तक. गॉट इट तनुष्का?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. Now next question, explain the evolution and growth of Malayalam language. Come to starting page, page number 77. Come to page number 77 everyone. Page number 77.
77.
हाँ, starting chapter 9 जहाँ लिखा हुआ है regional culture. That is page number 77. Oh sorry.
That is 79.
Yes, that is 79. Sorry. Yes, page number 79. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मलयालम लैंग्वेज. ओके, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मलयालम लैंग्वेज वाले पेज में आना. वन ऑफ द लैंग्वेज that has a strong regional identity is Malayalam. It has been derived from Sanskrit and old times. In medieval times, Malayalam was spoken in regions around the Nilgiri hills. Hence the name Malayalam, which means region of the hills. Region of the hills. वहां तक मार्क करना. कर लिया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then उसके बाद फोर्थ लाइन पे आ जाना. The Brahmins of Tamil. The Brahmins of Tamil area used a mix of Sanskrit and Tamil called the Grantha script. The language drew heavily from Sangam literature of the Asian period. It was only in the later years that the Chera dynasty introduced to use the Grantha script and Malayalam Tamil for use in their court. Court तक मार्क करना. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
कोर्ट के
Yes,
बाद
ma'am.
फिफ्थ लाइन में आ जाना. कोर्ट के बाद फिफ्थ लाइन में आना. मलयालम originated as a dialect of Tamil or it was another from the Proto-Dravidian language. The written form of the language which came into practice by the end of 13th century was different from Tamil. Up to Tamil you have to mark.
मैम एक बार रिपीट कर दीजिए.
फिफ्थ लाइन में आ जाना. कोर्ट के बाद फिफ्थ लाइन पे आ जाना. मलयालम से लेके आपको तमिल तक मार्क करना है. 5 लाइन, 5 लाइन, वही कंटिन्यूएशन का 5 लाइन मलयालम से लेके तमिल तक. गॉट इट?
मलयालम originated.
हाँ, as a dialect of Tamil or it was another from Proto-Dravidian language. The written form of the language which came into practice by the end of the 13th century was very different from Tamil. That is the answer. Up to Tamil.
मिल गया.
Got it? Okay. Now your work for today. अभी तुरंत करना है. You have to find the long answer questions and tell me now. Find it. Kathak
Okay,
as
ma'am.
a regional dancer. हाँ, do fast. Yes. Tell
Page number 80. Page number 81.
yes.
Paragraph is dance forms and their regional identity.
Okay. Identity. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On fifth line,
Okay.
from many
Ma'am, chapter 36 में
many dance forms. मैम मैनी डांस फॉर्म से लेके मैम स्क्रिप्चर्स तक.
Many dance forms से लेकर scriptures तक. Okay. Yes. Many dance.
फिर
Okay,
मैम
mark
उसके
it.
बाद
Yes, mark it everyone from fifth line. Many dance. Many dance से mark करना. Continuation से scriptures तक. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th line पे है scriptures. 8th line पे है scriptures. From there you have to, from up to there you have to mark. हाँ, then Pranjal.
मैम नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ द मुगल्स इनकरेज.
हाँ.
द मुगल्स इनकरेज से लेके मैम कर्टियर्स तक.
Courtiers. In which line courtiers is there?
द 1, 2, 3, 4. फोर्थ लाइन.
Fourth line. हाँ. The Mughal encouraged this dash form से courtiers तक. In fourth line it is there. Just mark it that. Got the answer?
मैम आई थिंक इट्स इनफ.
No, it is right up to the, then you come to the next para. उसी में जो para है नीचे जो para खत्म हो रहा है वहां पे आना. Last line. Under British rule, Kathak suffered decline as it was seen as a dance of seduction, hence unwholesome and restricted only to brothels. Just mark this also. Got it, everyone?
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
Yes.
मैंने सोचा था इसको लिखने के लिए लेकिन मेरे को लगा ज्यादा हो जाएगा.
नहीं, that much is the answer. Okay, come to the next question. Next question is, how did the patronage of Mughals help to develop miniature painting as an exclusive art form? Okay, the answer is on the same page, page 81. Okay. Paintings as a form of art has a long history in India, starting from prehistoric times when the rock paintings were done on the wall of caves. Miniature painting was a more evolved and exclusive form of paintings done under patronage of artists. Mark up to that. Then फिफ्थ लाइन पे आ जाना, उसके बाद फिफ्थ लाइन पे आ जाना. Miniature paintings were also used to depict senses from the life of Buddha. Antarakshiya Paramita is the earliest illustrated manuscript which dates back to the region of Mahipala in 1993 CE. वहां तक मार्क करना. Then come to the next page. Next page पे आ जाना. Fine art of miniature painting found patronage under Delhi Sultanate. Mark that line. Up to that much only. Up to that much only. Answer is complete. This chapter is complete. Just write the question and answers in your copy, everyone. Is it clear to you?
मैम एक बार फिर से बता दीजिए आंसर.
कहाँ से नहीं मिला है तनुष्का? Your copy, in your history copy, you have to complete these answers. Is it clear? Any more
Yes,
doubt?
ma'am.
Any more doubt related to the chapter, related to the question answers?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll start the new chapter, chapter 10 of history. Then we'll complete our term 2 syllabus also. Chapter 10, changing political structure of India. Tomorrow we'll start that. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, class. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day.